In this video, we're going to do an exercise for beginners using just the white keys and classic hand positions, pentascale hand positions, one finger per key on the white keys. And the two hands are going to be paralleling each other, moving the same position, in this case the C position, one finger per white key. The left hand is going to be doing what's called pentascales, groupings of 5 consecutive white keys on C, then on D, then on E, then on F, then on G, etc. We're going to move up like that. The right hand is doing block open fifths. It is not using the second, third, and fourth finger, just the thumb and pinky. So they're doing blocks, moving up like this. And the left hand is doing pentascales. So notice how this sounds together, and then move up the tones of the scale, and then do that same idea in the D position, in the E position, F, G, A, B, C. Now when you get to the next C, so we have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 reps moving up. Once you've gotten here, I want you then to reverse direction of the left hand and then move down your hand position. So now you're in the B position. A, G, F, E, D, C. So I was naming the bottom note of each of those positions as we were moving down. So here's the full exercise. Note that when you're doing this, there's no waiting between the hand position changes. So it is not this. Okay, I don't want that added time. There's no hiccup in it. It should be steady throughout. There should be something on every pulse. So it'd be like this. Move. Direction. That's the whole exercise, and it's great for beginners. Have fun with that.